In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Zoom in Outlook email. If your messages suddenly look way too tiny or blown up, don't worry, this is usually a quick fix. We'll start with the most common solution that corrects Outlook on the web instantly, then fine-tune the view inside an individual email if you still need to. First, remember that the Outlook web app follows your browser's zoom. If the browser is zoomed in or out, Outlook will look zoomed too. The fastest reset is a single keyboard shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl and 0 together. On a Mac, press Command and 0. That tells the browser to return the page to its normal size. You'll know it worked if the zoom indicator in the browser is back at 100% and text and buttons look proportionate again. The shortcut takes effect only when the browser window is active, so you may need to make sure the page is in focus before using it. This works the same way in popular browsers like Chrome, Edge, Firefox, and Safari. From there, you can nudge the size up or down if you prefer something slightly larger or smaller. Hold the Control key while you roll the mouse wheel to adjust the zoom gradually. As you scroll, watch the percent value the browser shows and aim for 100% if you want the standard view. This manual adjustment is handy when you just need a tiny bump in size, but keep in mind it changes how every page from that site appears. If the overall page looks right, but a particular message is still off, use Outlook's zoom inside the email itself. Open the email so you're in the reading view. At the top, look for a zoom control that displays a percentage. Slide or set it to 100% to restore the content to its intended scale. This adjusts how that message content is rendered without touching the rest of the interface, which is great when only the body of an email seems misaligned or unusually small. To recap, reset the browser zoom to normal with Ctrl+0 on Windows or Command+0 on Mac, the most common fix for Outlook Web. Then, if needed, open the message and set the in-email zoom slider to 100%. With those two adjustments, your Outlook emails should display cleanly and comfortably again.